Linen room supervisor. The linen room supervisor oversees the inventory, storage and distribution of linens. In more details, manages the linen room and maintains proper stock levels, oversees sorting, counting and storing of linens, issues clean linen to housekeeping and collects soiled ones, conducts inventory checks and prepare reports, ensures cleanliness and organization of linen room. Linen room attendant. The linen room attendant assists in maintaining linen inventory and ensuring its distribution. Sort and organize clean linen in the linen room, distributes linens to housekeeping and collects soiled items, maintains record of linen usage and stock levels, ensures the linen rooms is clean and orderly. In the next video, I will summarize all the housekeeping positions.